Good evening. We are on the app for the guard tour monitoring system. The front screen of the app basically is showing you all the devices which are registered from this particular app. The one basically which is showing green color, which is this particular thing which I am highlighting, is the one which is currently connected to the device, and the device is very near to the app which is there, and it is connected through Bluetooth. Now let's try to basically move ahead, and we would like to do a connection. Okay, so here we go. We just navigate into that particular device. This app shows all the list of the security personals who are being registered in the app. Now what we want to do is we can add an employee. For that there's a button for add employee, which is nothing but the security guard. And the other thing which we would like to do as part of the setting up is setting up guard tour patrolling system, for which we go to the settings part. And here in the settings part, you see an option called route and checkpoint, which is under edit info and before device info. So this is something basically from where we can set the route and the checkpoints. So we go over here. Once we navigate into that particular option, then it shows the list of checkpoints which is there, and the list of routes which are there. Now let's say I want to add a route. uh, the moment I get into this particular option, it is asking me to enter the route. Let's say I give a route name as City High. Let's say this is a building complex where these guards are doing the patrolling. So, and City High is the name of the complex basically, which I am putting it as City High complex as the route name. I save this particular thing. The moment I save, right now it is basically showing that there are no checkpoints being defined over here, and there's an option to do the adding the checkpoint. So I go to add checkpoint option, add from checkpoint list. Maybe you would have already made the checkpoints earlier. You can pick up the checkpoints from there, or you can create new checkpoints. So I would like to create a new checkpoint. The moment I select the new checkpoint, basically it is asking me add checkpoint name. Let's say I give the checkpoint name as main gate, main gate, and the checkpoint ID as this is the card ID which is going to be there. So I am giving the card number as 56565656. So ये है क्या? Okay, I will give it as 56565657, and this I will submit. This particular checkpoint is created. I want to add another checkpoint, so I will go to add checkpoint once again. Check Create new checkpoint. I go to create new checkpoint. The checkpoint name, let's say, is parking area, PARKING, parking area, and the checkpoint is uh, 56565657. So this says I will give it as 56565658, and this particular checkpoint I have created. Enter the checkpoint address here, so I can even give the checkpoint address, and it may pick up the checkpoint address even from the location, GPS location, for which I just have to click the GPS button over here. To continue, turn on the device location, use Google location. I say yes. Okay, so it will automatically pick up the Google location. Allow tracking